Hello, this is Claudine, the realtor in Palm Springs, and I'm here in Palm Springs in the new condo that Trish and Randy from Calgary bought through us, and we are in Palm Springs in Mesquite Country Club. So Trish and Randy, what can you tell us about?
Well, we've been coming to Palm Springs for like 20 years, you know, with parents and bringing kids, and always wanted to get a place of our own here. And then, as a matter of fact, we had just come back from Palm Springs in the fall, and you and Alvin were in Calgary doing a presentation on real estate in Palm Springs. And so we couldn't make it to the event that night, but I wanted to be on the email list. So Claudine and I exchanged a few emails, and then in the springtime we were finally ready to make a move and decide if there was something on the market for us. Got a hold of Claudine and found this amazing condo, and it was just like a match made in heaven. We got along so well, and she was so personable, and Alvin as well, when talking with Alvin and my husband, and we just we couldn't be happier.
Yeah, it was a great experience, and the thing for me was, as the buying process went along, there was a few hiccups that...
You might, a guy thing.
A guy
Yes.
thing.
Yeah.
A few hiccups that definitely we got guided through and made it a very great experience.
So Alvin and I would like to thank you very much for trusting us in buying your property in Palm Springs, and enjoy it.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you for your business.